Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got a Olympia SM3 on the bench today. Did a few things to this already, including a shift alignment, balance. Still got to work on the shift lock here. Is not see the play here between shift lock and just shift pressed is got to be adjusted. But today, this video is for something else a little unusual. Problem is stated. Line spacing is inconsistent. I also found it to be inconsistent. But upon inspection, see that? That one only went that's supposed to be double space, both of those. Okay, so what I found here in the index ratchet, first I looked at the ratchet here and the variable, make sure that was not malfunctioning or slipping or something. But what I found was interesting. So I got to looking at how far that paw goes and pushes the ratchet. So let's put this on one, and that should ratchet this ratchet 2 spaces, 2 clicks. And you go 1, and it feels like it's done. But if you push it harder, I'm really pushing it pretty hard, you get the second one. So 1 is normal, but if I push really hard, it goes the second one. Same thing with double space, should go 4 clicks. 1, 2, 3. And it feels like it's it, but if you push it hard, it does go to 4th. So that's a little strange, I thought. And so I started looking around here a little bit. See if we can get this guy to focus up here. And I'll show you what I found. Okay, so what I found was this return arm. Let's put this on 1 space. Return arm, one click, and it doesn't quite want to go 2 clicks unless I push it hard. If I push it hard, it's actually flexing this chrome plate and part of this back panel. This arm right here is touching there. And then it's impeding the full motion of the return arm and ratchet. So then I'm like, well, how'd that happen? It's kind of funky, but then if you look real carefully, it's hard to see on camera, the chrome plate here is actually bowed out right inside of here, right there. And this plate looks like it's bent that direction, which is causing the arm to interfere with that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to push this. It's really hard to see this, but there's a bow in the panel right here, and I'm going to try to push this in and get rid of that. There it goes. And did you see that? That moved up here. This moved backwards. So now that should be enough. 1. Okay. 1, 2. Now it still feels like it's touching. Let's see. 1, but it's not. There's clearance now between that and the panel. That's going to resolve that problem. I'm sure of it. Strange problem, but let's do 2. So even soft, it does 2. Before you kind of had to really push this arm. Gotta look for the odd stuff sometimes. I'm gonna make sure this panel's tight before I finalize it, but that solves the index problem on this SM3. Good day.